Hello YouTubers, I see a lot of guys got videos of waste oil heaters. Just thought I'd make a short video to show my particular waste oil heater. This one here I use to heat my shop during the winter. Works very well, radiates a lot of heat. It's been a cold winter here in the Northeast and this thing is done very well. It's made with a brake drum, brake rotor, 4-inch Schedule 40 pipe and a 30-gallon propane bottle. I use a 3-gallon bucket to run to hold the waste oil. Just dirty engine oil from oil changes here in my little equipment shop. 3/8 copper line and a needle valve. Takes it down. On this one here I put the pipe very low in the bottom so it would really radiate the heat on the top. So this one I use for heating. I've made other models. This smaller one here I use just for canning. It's I made it a little lower so you can put a really heavy cannon pressure cooker on top. The pipe I ran it very close to the top so it would really put the heat right on that flat top surface there, and like I said, it's really more for cooking. And I can see a couple more here I'm working on, but this one here, this design I'm really happy with. I'll show you us cooking on it in a little bit. I like making stir fries here. I actually really like cooking on it. It's a lot of fun. Alright, so here we are cooking on it. I got a 16-inch cast iron pot that I use for cooking. Got some bacon going there. I like to make stir fries where I'll put vegetables and all that in with bacon and a little bit of ground meat. You can see it's plenty hot for cooking on. The waste oil like this is a lot closer to cooking on propane because you can really regulate the heat. When I first started it was like 800. I had to turn it down. I like it about 650 for cooking on. You can see it's plenty hot. I just use a little fan behind here to move the heat around the shop. So power goes out, anything like that, no problem. We're out here cooking for free on waste oil, something that we would have to pay to get rid of. And now we can use it for heating, cooking, anything we want. So this thing works very well. Okay, thank you. Alright, now we got a little ground meat going in there. Nice little sizzle. Also wanted to show the temperature. Hopefully this will come out. I could keep it right around 650. That's really good. To me that's perfect for cooking on for like a stir fry like this. Down here on the pipe we're 920, so close to 1,000 up towards the top. 700 on the base. Like I said, 650 over here. That's for me that's real good cooking temperature. Gotta flip this ground over in a minute. And then once this is done, we'll take this out. We'll put some vegetables in there. Some broccoli, cauliflower. During the summer we would use this just whatever's out of the garden. But broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, celery. When the tomatoes are in, we throw some tomatoes in there too. Just whatever we can get in there. Sometimes we make this with chicken. Today we're going to do ground meat with some black beans in there, with the bacon, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, celery, and whatever else my wife's trying. Just throw it all together in the end, and then that'll be our stir fry. All right, so now we got our vegetables going here. I got cauliflower, broccoli, onions, peppers, leeks. I don't know what else my wife got in there. Normally this would be anything we got in the garden that we can just pick and throw in there. It's part of our little pick of the day stir fry. Of course it's the middle of winter, so we're having to buy everything. I still got to put in some carrots that we had canned, so they're already soft. Mushrooms and some black beans, and then put the meat and the bacon back in, and we're all all combined and ready to go. So one thing I wanted to say about the waste oil heater, I was going to make a rocket stove, and we have lots of wood here. I heat my house all winter with wood, so getting wood is no problem. But with the needle valve on here, you can really control the heat, so it makes it very easy to cook on. Just to keep this rated, like I said, I like to cook it right at 650. This works really well. We make rice on here too, just kind of fooling around, make some rice. You know, where you boil the water, once you combine it, you turn it down to simmer, and had no trouble doing that. So it's the one advantage that the waste oil has over the rocket stove, is it's very easy to regulate the temperature, at least for me anyway. So, alright, I'll show it when we're all done. Alright, so here's a good look at my bottom here. I use a 1/4 inch black pipe that I run inside there, and then some fittings to make it a little bit bigger. And just run that 3/8 copper line right into it. Said breaks on brick rotor, 4-inch schedule 40 pipe. I don't know if you can see inside there, but it really puts out a lot of heat, and it actually runs very clean. Like I said, I got one I'm just working on now. I got to finish, got the pipe all ready to go. I just got to put the brake drum on there, and then the trick is tuning it, putting the right amount of holes in there just to clean it up and make it burn right. You don't have enough holes in there, it just it won't burn clean, and you get too many holes in there and it just doesn't work right either. So that's the trick, is once you get it running, you got to kind of tune it. I only had like 2 rows of holes on the bottom, and it worked good, but it just didn't, you know, burn nice. It didn't burn hot, and not as hot as the other one. So I put another set of holes in there, and I put a set of holes around the top of that brake rotor, and now, like I said, she really works well. Really burns clean, burns hot, just works well. Okay, so now we got everything combined together. You can see black beans, bacon, ground meat. Got some cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, peppers, leeks, mushrooms. I don't know if I missed anything. So we call this our, you know, pick of the day. It's kind of whatever is fresh in the garden we throw in there. Like I said, not this time of year because it's winter time, but this is, like I said, this is our favorite stir fry. And then we're just cooking down some chicken stock, Ken's teriyaki sauce. I think there's a little bit of wine in there, and honey. So once that's kind of cooked down, it'll be all ready to go. But it's almost there. I can't wait. So, thank you for watching. Oh, there's my chimney. Just want to show that thing's that heater's 650 degrees, and there's really almost no smoke at all. You see a little heat vapor, but no smoke. So that was our whole dinner, cooked in one pot. It's a 16-inch cast iron pot on top of a waste oil heater. Great thing to have when the power goes out. We've had the power go out a few times this winter. Like I said, just come out here and cook on this. It's a lot easier to cook in the shop, you know, other than having the grill going or something like that. And one thing I did mention before, this thing right now, like most of the other guys say, this will be 650, 750 degrees and burn about 1/4 to 1/4 1/3 an hour. So just thought I'd mention that. Once again, thanks for watching.